How many cremations can be performed per day with one retort? The number of cremations that can be performed per day with a single cremation retort depends on several key factors: the efficiency of the equipment, the cremation cycle, operational workflows, and operator experience. At FT North America, we emphasize the importance of understanding these concepts so funeral homes can plan their operations effectively and maximize their service capacity. Number 1, cremation cycle time. A standard cremation process typically takes anywhere from 1.5 to 3 hours, depending on the size of the individual, the operating temperature of the cremation chamber, and the efficiency of the system. Modern cremation machines are designed with secondary combustion chambers and optimized burner systems to reduce total cycle time while maintaining environmental compliance. After the primary cremation cycle, there is an additional cooling period before the remains can be safely processed. Efficient systems allow operators to manage this cooling phase effectively, enabling quicker turnaround times between cremations. Number 2, equipment design and efficiency. The design of your cremation system plays a significant role in determining daily capacity. Advanced models, like those we offer at FT North America, incorporate features such as faster preheating times to reduce downtime between cycles, improved heat retention for better energy efficiency and consistent results, user-friendly controls that help operators optimize the workflow. With FT North America retorts and proper operational flow, a single unit can generally handle 4 to 6 cremations during an 8-hour shift under standard conditions. High-demand operations may push toward the upper limit with skilled operators and streamlined processes. Number 3, workflow and scheduling. Maximizing daily capacity also requires thoughtful scheduling. Efficient workflows ensure that remains are prepared, identified, and staged while the cremation retort is running. By preloading the next case during cooling and minimizing idle time, crematories can optimize the number of cycles per day. Number 4, operator experience. A skilled operator can make a significant difference in the daily output of a crematory. Properly trained staff know how to manage the equipment, maintain safety protocols, and transition smoothly between cycles. This combination of experience and efficiency ensures your cremation business meets its service commitments. Conclusion: while 4 to 6 cremations per 8-hour shift is a practical average for a FT cremation chamber, the actual capacity depends on equipment efficiency, scheduling practices, and operator expertise. At FT North America, we provide cremation systems that are designed for reliability, speed, and ease of use to help funeral homes operate at their full potential. If you're looking to streamline workflows or scale operations, we're here to provide guidance every step of the way.